help them salvage a family page, and that way I won't have to work.
Alright, lazy.
I am lazy. But don't tell them that I'm doing it.
Yeah, I know.
Well, honestly, it's also a bored day because I know I'm not going to be doing anything except for holding the ladder.
Yeah.
And be sure to like them on Facebook. It's currently 76 at News Talk KCRG.
This is a breaking weather update from the KCRG 24-hour Storm Center.
This is FM 102.9, AM 1310, News Talk KCRG. We continue to provide you connections and trying to help people find one another during this time of great tragedy that is affecting Joplin. And one of those resources that we are using is our Facebook page. We encourage you to utilize that resource. It is facebook.com/newstalkkcrg. And Jennifer says there she's looking for Kim Knight, 2531 South Tyler. She says she didn't know her, but found a bag including pictures with her address and name inside while looking through her mother-in-law's debris and trying to find the best way to contact her. So if you are Kim Knight or know Kim Knight, on 2531 South
I want to look at Franklin's cat
apparently Jennifer has found
that woman
some
said
stuff.
her last
We've heard
person
many stories of
knew.
that. Things belonging from completely different house.
My cousin in Springfield found this stuff.
2202 Kentucky.
Hundreds of miles away.
Go straight.
Bless you for all your hard work. I gotta admit to you, Heather, it doesn't
Oh,
feel
wow.
like hard work at all. It's nothing in comparison to what we see some of these emergency response crews and just neighbors helping others get their way through the rubble. So we also have Kathy. She says Economic Security Corporation is looking for one of their employees, Erwin
I would
Ulrich.
put it down.
If you know Erwin,
Yeah,
know his
I know,
whereabouts,
but I'm
please
not.
contact ESC. So that's another person that they're trying to find. We just got word, and this is going to be happening. This is very important, actually. We haven't received this yet. Joplin Chambers, according to their Facebook page, they will be testing
Stuck there for a while.
tornado sirens today at 10.